Hey everyone, it is Jessica and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be planning week 11. So this is the plan with me that was in my vlog from week 11. I just pulled it out, made it a little bit slower, that way I could go through it with you guys. So right here I'm doing my weekly overview. Of course, my icons are there. If you want to see how I planned and laid down those icons, check out my March plan or my March setup party. That is where that is, and I put together my entire planner, dashboards, and everything. So here you'll see I had a chiropractic appointment Monday and Friday. It was my husband and I's anniversary on Tuesday. We had revival going on at church. We had a Starbucks meetup. We also had a movie day on Friday and a lunch on Sunday. We were celebrating my friend's birthday on Saturday. So this was a full week. So here I'm just using my habit boxes to keep up with my morning oils, nighttime oils, and when my dog and husband have to take Zyrtec. And then here I'm just putting down my weather stickers, writing what the temperature is going to be for the week, and then I'll go through and put down banners and my set in stone appointments. So I'll let the music roll and I will check back in with you guys at the end.
Big spender to the right, with no room for another. I play kiss and tell like a boss. Love ain't got nothing on me, bad boy. Running to catch you on my homeboy. No, love ain't got nothing on me, bad boy. I'm playing the only because Venus is my mother. I've got my girls for life. Freedom is my sister. I've got my girls, got my girls. Got my Love ain't got nothing on me, bad boy. No, love ain't got nothing on me, bad boy. Playing the only because Venus is my mother. I've got my girls for life. Freedom is my sister. I've got my girls, got my girls.
that is how I planned my week. If you want to see a little bit more detail of how I planned the days, check out my vlog. I go through day by day and load up everything that I do, my to-do list and all of that stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Here's a few others you can check out, and don't forget to subscribe if you like my videos and give this one a like. Thanks. See you in the next one.